So he should have preferred.
Fifth respondent received notice from this court?
My lord, that's why he has come.
No, on what date notice was issued?
My lord,
On what date he got the notice? Sir, officer, when did you receive? 17.
my lord.
When did you contact your counsel?
Just after a week, my lord. Just after a week. But my lord, I have a marriage function in my family, my lord. That's why I could not appear and apprise, my lord, this honorable court, my lord. My fault.
So what? Has he not informed the Jilla Panchayat?
No, my lord. No, my lord. My lord, I am appearing for the respondent 5, my lord. The notices were issued for 5, my lord. And I have filing the counter affidavit, my lord. My lord. My lord,
Where is the chief executive officer?
my lord. My lord, we could not receive the intimation with regard to this LPA, my lord. The council for the, my lord, the Jilla Parishad died, my lord. And his party, my lord, that could not be informed to us, my lord, by the council for, he was late. Ashutosh Nayan Pandey, my lord, he died, my lord. That's why
He has died. How is it?
my lord,
Who has died?
the council for the
Correct. What is his name?
Mr. Ashutosh Narayan Pandey, my lord. Late. He died, my lord.
So what? Has he not informed the Jilla Panchayat?
No, my lord, no, my lord. That's why we don't have the even copy of the, my lord, LPA, my lord. We received it after noticing, my lord. So the pleadings we don't have, my lord, the copy of the pleadings, my lord. So however, my lord, we have replied, my lord, hard copy of counter affidavit I have already.
He is the respondent number
5, my lord. And hard copy is uploaded, my lord. So we are permitted to file.
The number of petitioners. Some people what is the thought? First to continue.
My lord, the case of the petitioner, my lord, is the writ was allowed, my lord. The writ was filed in the year 2008, my lord. And the only one IA was pending, my lord. And during pendency of that IA, my lord, the writ petition disposed
No,
of.
if the writ petition is allowed, why she should file LPA?
My lord, I will be permitted to, my lord, assist, my lord, this is one court, my lord. They should prefer a review petition, my lord, because the apparent error on the face of the order, my lord, that the IA of the appellant, my lord, could not be disposed of, my lord. Though the other IAs filed by the other petitioners, my lord, disposed of. And in the light of that IA in interim order, my lord, the other petitioners, their termination was stayed, my lord, by the honorable single judge, my lord, but his IA could not be disposed of. And during pendency of the IA, my lord, the writ petition disposed of, my lord. The crux of the his appeal is, my lord, this much only. So he should have preferred.
Fifth respondent received notice from this court?
My lord, that's why he has come, my lord.
No, on what date notice was issued?
My lord,
On what date he got the notice?
on the last date, my lord.
No, what is the date?
I have stated in my counter, my lord.
So you want us to dig and verify the date?
No.
Please approve this code. You can't show some document and.
I have stated in para 22.
What is the date, sir?
17/1/23, my lord.
17/1?
23, my lord. In para 23, I have stated.
He contacted you on what date?
My lord,
He contacted you on what date? He contacted you on what date? Notice on December. Okay. Yes, sir. What is the date?
he just after he informed me, my lord.
Sir, there is no date. We want to hold him responsible.
My lord.
Because on 20th December 2022, notice was issued
My
to
lord.
him.
My lord.
And thereafter,
He received it on my lord.
matter was adjourned from
My lord.
11/1/2023
My lord.
and once again on 19/1/2023.
My lord.
Therefore, he is a irresponsible fellow.
My lord, he informed me, my lord, just after this, he received on 15th, my lord, and 17th, my lord, he sent a letter to.
Yes, Mr. Officer, when did you receive? 17.
My lord,
When did you contact your counsel?
just after a week, my lord, just after a week. But my lord, I have a marriage function in my family, my lord, that's why I could not appear and apprise, my lord, this honorable court, my lord, my fault. My lord.
Who is appearing for petitioner?
I am appearing.
What is the stage?
Lord, only the interim order granted, the person are working without, we are out of service.
Uh,
Without any so-called notice, without any
No,
so-called.
single judge has set aside the termination order.
No, single judge has not dealt with anything below with respect to the case of the party.
No, what was the relief sought in the writ application?
Writ application below, the relief was to pass annexure 1 by A below. By which issued by the Director Education Patna in follow-up order bearing letter number 11/2008 issued by this Sasaram College to petitioner. Whereby wherein respondent have decided to remove petitioner from post of teacher secondary school in Rohtas. Fourteen persons were removed from service, my lord. 8 persons were granted interim relief. They
No, removal is by director education.
director, my lord. On the basis of the letter issued by director, my lord.
Then why Jilla Panchayat has been?
Because the petitioner was functioning in Jilla Panchayat.
No, director is empowered to look into the service condition of employees of the Jilla Panchayat.
Jilla Parishad.
How can it be? Chief Executive Officer is the controlling authority. How director can interfere?
Virtually on the basis of certain intimation, we conducted 3-man committee, we constituted, we made inquiry, lordship, and we made
From the Jilla Parishad Act and rules, the director has powers.
virtually it is the Panchayat Niyojan Nimavali.
Show us the power, sir, source of power to the director. Insofar as the termination of teachers of the Jilla Panchayat employees.
Certainly it is the employment unit who is extending appointment, he is the power, he should be having power to terminate.
Sir, show us repeatedly we are asking you from the Jilla Panchayat Act. And you don't know, Chief Executive Officer, powers and functions. You know powers and functions.
Sir.
What, sir?
Sir.
Do you know that there is a Jilla Parishad Act? Huh?
2012 के पूर्व सर
2000?
2012 के पूर्व सर
Prior to 2000.
हाँ 12
Prior to 2012, my lord, it was a power of there with the.
No, Jilla Panchayat Act was introduced on what date? Jilla Panchayat Act दे दो। लोगों को सारा हम पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
First नियमावली came in 2006 में.
हाँ? 2006.
First rule, my lord.
First rule came.
All right, first or second, there is an act. Mr. Chief Executive Officer, you are exercising power under which section?
They have not been terminated by his order, my lord.
Sir, I am asking you a general question. He is exercising power under which section? Has he seen that book at least?
My lord, 36 of Jilla Panchayat rule.
Section 36. दे दो। You people don't read and come. Which are the book and other things? We have to make all research.
बिहार जिला परिषद माध्यमिक एवं उच्चतर माध्यमिक शिक्षक नियोजन सेवा एवं
क्या अध्यक्ष चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर का किधर है? क्या अध्यक्ष है? उसके बाद
Sorry, Lordship, on making.
Already given delegation of powers, my lord. It is there.
what delegation?
76, my lord. नहीं नीचे
Chief
delegation.
Executive Officer of Jilla. No, what are the powers and functions of the Chief Executive Officer? There. Functions. इधर है Section 88. You are misleading this code. You don't know which section.
Pardon.
Section 88.
Pardon.
What pardon? You are unfit to hold the post of Chief Executive Officer. You don't know under which provision of law you are holding the post and seating.
Pardon, sir.
जिला परिषद
Control of the servant. 88. Yes, take down. Director. Secondary Education Government of Bihar Patna is hereby directed to file an affidavit as to under which authority of law he has passed the communication.
Sorry, our affidavit is there.
20th October 2008 and further the district education officer issuing a district education officer Rohtas Sasram by letter number 1448 dated 11/11/2008 has been issued. For the reasons that section 88 of the Bihar Panchayat Raj Act, 2006 relating to functions of the chief executive officer and other officers. Section 88 within bracket small c is relating to control the officers and servants of Jilla Parishad subject to the general superintendence and control of the Adhyaksha and such rules as may be prescribed. In other words, director action in the present case is without authority of law or not is required to be examined. Such affidavit be filed before the next date of hearing. List this matter after 2 weeks. Personal appearance of the chief executive officer stands and dispense until further orders.
Your Lordship, so far our
Sir, chief executive officer, read entire Jilla Parishad Act tonight.
Your Lordship, so far our earlier affidavit is concerned, we had worked out that since my friend was having lesser marks than the last selected candidate, Lordship, that's why he has been.
No, we are not concerned with that. How he exercise the power, he has to apprise.